Welcome back to Just Doing Nails. In today's video, I'm going to show you Makartt's Blue Polygel Kit. Hi everyone, welcome back. So we're just going to get straight into this box, okay? All right, this is how it looks first when you open it up. I love the blue aesthetics because I love blue. So this kit comes with a slip solution and they call it a nail surface cleanser, 2-in-1 formula. It also comes with a 100/180 grit file and a picker and brush. So this side is a picker / spatula. Some people call it a spatula, whatever you want to call it. It's up to you. And on the other side, there's the brush, and you'll just use this for moving around the gel. And there's a top coat and a base coat in here. I always like to just show you guys the consistency of them. And for people who are new to these type of products, I just like to show them, let them know that it's a clear consistency to them. So underneath here, we have some dual forms, and these dual forms are what you would use to put the gel in and then you form it onto your nails. I won't be using those because I'm just swatching these colors for you guys today. And it also has the instructions. And so there's like some frequently asked questions in here, and they give you some precautions, and they also tell you about their best sellers and ways to contact them. And there are the stars of the show, the colors. All right, the nail lamp I'm going to be using today is a 48 watt. I looked it up online and I found that a 36 watt lamp and up is recommended for polygel. Also, you want to make sure you have 91% alcohol. They do put a slip solution in here, but I like to use the alcohol. In my other videos, I use 70%. You can go check that out and see how that worked out for me or didn't. And you also need a dapping dish or some sort of dish. And I also recommend some paper towels. All right, let's look at this first color. This first color is clear. So I guess it's not really a color. And this one was a bit hard to squeeze out of that packet. And I don't know if it's just me or if any of you guys have had the same experience with the clear ones. Sometimes they tend to be a little more tough than the other colors. And the pink ones seem to be better, or the ones with more pigment sometimes seem to be easier to apply. I don't know if that's just me. Let me know down in the comments. So what you see me doing here is I'm burping my brush, and what this is going to do is just get out any air pockets in your brush and clean it really good before you use it. So here I am, I'm spreading that out, and you can tell I'm really not good with polygel. I don't really do it that much, basically only when I'm making a video. But I am trying, as you can see, and this one is a little bit cloudy to me. What do you guys think about this clear color? I'm going to cure it for 2.5 to 3 minutes. And there's that color for you guys, or clear color. Next, I'm going to use the slip solution so you guys can just see the comparison, how it works with the polygel as opposed to the alcohol. So the next color, we're getting into the blues. And this color reminded me of cotton candy. That's the first thing that came to my mind. Like, I just want to eat it. Well, not really, but that's what it reminded me of. All right, and this one was a bit smoother and easier to apply and take off. There's that color, you guys. Isn't it gorgeous? So like I said, I'm going to use the slip solution this time around, but I didn't feel that it worked better than the alcohol. Personally, I'll just use alcohol whenever I'm using polygel. I'm not really a fan of their slip solution. Let me know if you guys are. So if you made it this far, I just want to remind you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me if you're enjoying my content. And remember to hit that like and notification bell too. I would really appreciate it. All right, here is that color, you guys. Isn't it beautiful? Love it. All right, this next color is A43. and it's a bit darker than the one before, so that seems to be the theme. So let me know if you've tried this kit before or any of Makartt's products. Let me know in the comments below if you like them or what your experience with them was like. So there's that color swatched for you guys, and this was a very smooth consistency as well. This blue here, I didn't have a problem getting it out the tube. So as you see, I went back to my alcohol and it was much easier to move around, and it wasn't sticking to the brush or anything. So I definitely recommend you guys get alcohol, get you some 91%, mind you, if you're going to be doing polygel. All right, so here is A44, and this is the last color in this kit, and it's just very vibrant and pigmented. This, oh, beautiful. It reminds me of the ocean, like colors you would see in an aquarium. It's like a royal type of blue color, really rich and dark. And it was also very smooth as well. All right, here is that last color for you guys. Let me know which ones you guys really like the most. I'm going to show you guys the top coat really fast. On top is before and on the bottom is after. I feel like this one really made a difference. Here are those colors one more time before I head out. You guys, that is my review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to leave me a like. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to Just Doing Nails. I would really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on my next review.